What's up, YouTube? It's that Tesla guy. Just wanted to post a quick video. People have been asking me all over the place, where did I get my Chrome Delete kit? So I figured I'd post a quick little review of the NikolaPro Chrome Delete kit that I picked up a couple months ago. So it looks amazing. It's a fantastic kit, fits perfectly. The one thing I'll say is I'm definitely not a professional vinyl wrapper. My experience with the wraps usually comes with turkey, lettuce, and mayo, so I am far from an expert. However, the old saying is true that, you know, sometimes things, they look good from far, but far from good. Well, the kit itself is definitely not far from good. It's excellent. My skills installing it, well, here's what I mean by far from good. So if you come up close and really look at it, my edges are a little sketchy, that's for sure. Same with the mirrors. Mirrors are, you know, even the guy at NikolaPro will tell you that's the hardest part to install. So when the car is on and moving, you don't see it. I mean, you'd really have to come up close to really see any issues with it, but otherwise it looks great. It comes with, so when you get the package, it comes with absolutely everything you need. All the tools, comes with a heat gun, comes with your these little plastic things to help you tuck it into place. It comes with instructions, and there's some great videos that the guy made that go along with it. It comes with 2 of everything, so if you do mess up, you can do it again. The doors were the first thing I did, and they were really easy. You can see I actually did a pretty good job on those. It gets harder as you do the top frames. You know, it's just sort of, it's very forgiving. You can pull it off and start again, and you should definitely just, you know, use the first batch as a test and see how it goes. If you hate it, you can always redo it. I still have all my old pieces, my second piece of everything, so I definitely will do it again, maybe next year if I don't love the way it looks. Customer service was unbelievable. So a couple pieces through shipping, it looks like they shifted around and they got sort of bent. I reached out, I got an email like almost instantly from them, from the guy there, and it was like a Sunday night, and he said no problem, sent me a link which had like a selection of all the pieces that you need. I selected the ones that I needed, and he instantly sent them out. It was fast, it was free. It was like the best customer service experience I've had sort of with anything that I can remember. So great job with that. Price wise, it's extremely reasonable. I believe it's $169. I'll link the description below. It's not a sponsored post or anything. So, you know, I'm just wanted to be completely honest with what I think of the product, but I'm really happy with it. I would definitely give it 2 thumbs up and 5 stars. You can see, you know, they went to a lot of effort to make sure that it fits perfectly. There's no, you know, weird bits where you're kind of like, it doesn't really fit right. Comes with the hood thing. Now, what I did was, excuse the dead bug or the live bug, I actually removed my front and rear badge, and I just put the sticker on. The one thing I didn't like is the chrome still sits around the edge when you put it on top, so I just removed it completely with a little bit of floss and my heat gun. Actually, the heat gun that came with this came in use, and I just put the sticker on over where the chrome badge was. I like the way it looks really clean. I like the sort of stealth look, and yeah, so overall very happy. It's been on now for about 4 months, and I've had no issues. It's not peeling, it's not lifting. Hopefully it lasts the winter without any problems. I'll post an update video, but that's your NikolaPro Chrome Delete review. Thanks guys, have a good one, bye.